Ndị be anyị ekeneni m unu ọzọ n'ụbọchị nke taata. Asịrị m unu ka ọ dịrị anyị na mma. Asị m na ihe adị ka echi na echi ada agwụ agwụ. Ndị ga-esi na-esonyela ihe a bụ Igbo Media, bụ ebe anyị si wee na-ewetara unu ya bụ ngalaba ozi a dị nnukwu mkpa. Anyị si ka anyị gosi unu gbasata maka ihe na-eme na Igbo community and obodo anụ anyị nọ n'ime ya. Dịka o si dị, ọ bụ na nke a bụ mbọsị izizi ị na-ezite chanel anyị bụ Igbo Media, gbaa mbọ rinne ka ị sọskraịbụ and share ya ka o rute ndị ọzọ aka. Maka na infọmeshọn anyị na-enye unu bụ ihe unu ga-ama gbasata maka ihe na-eme n'obodo a, anụkwunu mara ka unu si akwado na ya bụ ife bụ ya ka anyị si ka anyị drọpụ ọrụ bifo anyị gosi unu ihe anyị ji maka ya wee bịa. Ị ga-esi ya bụ ife anyị ji maka ya wee bịa, ị drọpụrụ anyị alụ gị ife iche gbasata maka ya bụ ife ndị niile ekwu n'iru akwụkwọ. Alright, over to you, sir.
Nigeria is merely a distinctive appellation to distinguish those who lives within the neighboring boundaries of Nigeria and those who do not. Everybody knows this is a common thing, within every historian in Nigeria. To date, nobody has got that audacity in Nigeria now to say contrarily to those declarations. From 1945, Biafra people has paid ultimate price, from the pogrom in the north to the massacre of Biafrans in the southwest to killing of Biafra in the southeast and the eastern region of Biafra by the Nigeria security agencies. Between 2013 to 2017, we have witnessed the worst massacre of Biafrans within our own territory, within our own land, by the Nigeria security agencies. We've seen the way Biafrans were dehumanized. We've seen war crime committed in our own soil. And those that are ordering this particular genocide and war crimes are those who were elected to hold a political position within the Biafra territory, to represent Nigeria. They have never represented the interest of the Biafra people. They have never represented the interest of the common man. But what they do is to steal. And then they are being used as a tool for the divide and rule tactics of the Fulanese. I listen and watch from the great mirror how they are running helter-skelter in Abuja. Those who call themselves political leaders from the eastern region of Nigeria today, which is Biafra. The man from Imo State, the one from Anambra, the other one from Enugu State. These are the three governors that we are going to open the gate of hell from tomorrow. They kidnapped Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, whose only crime was to ask for something good for the people of Biafra. They kidnapped an extraordinary rendition Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, whose only crime was to set up a security outfit to make sure that the people in Biafra land did not live in IDP camp that were never provided for even the people in Benue State. And they went to Kenya, connived with the Kenyan government, kidnapped him, tortured him for many days before they extraordinarily renditioned him to Nigeria. And those in Imo State, those in Anambra, those in Enugu State, some of them are planning, thinking that they are going to capture Simon Ekpa, extraordinary rendition Simon Ekpa to Nigeria. I will be their end. The way you are targeting Simon Ekpa is the way Simon Ekpa is targeting you. From tonight, there is no step you take I am not aware of. I am waiting for you to make a move. But know this fact. I am more closer to you than you can ever be to me. Those looking for Simon Ekpa to kidnap, my word to you this evening is that I am more closer to you than you will ever be to me. You will understand that in a matter of days. Fellow Biafrans, from tonight going out to tomorrow, which is the 18th day of September 2023, we are entering the second phase of the Biafra liberation. The first ever curfew will start on Tuesday. And I am mandating the Biafra Liberation Army, the Biafra resistance fighters from tonight. Every Nigerian security agent you see in Biafra land, do not allow them to breathe. Don't give them any breathing space. From tonight, it is called self-defense. The most aggressive self-defense is what we are activating from tonight. I know you can never run out of bullet. Make sure no Biafra son and daughter is hurt. Make sure no civilian is hurt. But you see anybody wearing Nigerian security agents in Nigeria, in Biafra land, engage them. Don't give them any breathing space. It is the only way to avenge the death of millions of Biafrans and those that have enforced their disappearance from 2013 to date. We are going to give the Nigerian security agencies hell in our land until they leave. I want you to understand that what we are doing now is the delegitimization of Nigeria government within Biafra land. They come with guns and ammunition to kill. And they think that by bringing armored tanks, they are going to force us to continue to be in Nigeria. It is not going to end, the way they wanted it. We are not armed. We are armed, well armed, like them. We are armed like them. They come with machine gun. We have machine gun. The only thing we don't have now is armored tank. And I am mandating the Biafra Liberation Army from tonight. Do not burn any armored tank. Collect it from them. Collect it. We are going to need it. All those armored tanks, anywhere you see them come with armored tank, target the armored tank. Don't burn it. Collect it. We will need it to defend our land in the nearest future, which is coming very soon. The Nigeria security agents, from police to army to custom to anything that carries gun, any Nigeria security agents that carries gun in Biafra land, they are our enemy. Do not allow them to breathe. They have killed enough. And now it is time for a payback. We're going to make sure that nobody will be killed again by the Nigeria security agents. You remember how they were burning the houses? Those who are bringing them to burn those houses, we are going to also make them homeless. Everywhere where that particular security agencies of the Nigeria terrorist group have burned our villages, burned our house, those who bring them will also be made homeless very soon. I want everybody to pay attention very attentively. I'm not going to stay long here. From tomorrow, I want to make it very clear, our Monday sit at home remain the same. They have not changed. We have not canceled it. Today is 17th day of September 2023, and I want the media team to cut this particular segment of this video. That we have not canceled the sit at home, Monday sit at home. Monday sit at home remains the same. It is untouchable. We can't change it until Mazen Nnamdi Kanu is released. Tomorrow is our Monday sit at home, normal Monday sit at home And I want everybody to observe that sit at home. It is going to be something that we have not seen. I said, anywhere you see Nigeria security agent carrying gun, from military to police to anyone carrying gun, make sure you don't give them British space. They have killed enough. And it is time we evict them from our land. We will enter their barracks. We will enter their bases. It is a matter of time. Yesterday, we were there at 103 Battalion in Enugu. They ran away. We chased them. They ran into the barracks. We followed them to 103 Battalion. And every Biafran living closer to barracks, remain very vigilant. Because what they do is that when they don't see who to kill, they will come for you and use you to shine. They will burn your houses, kill women and children, and they will brag about it. Do not fall a victim of these people. Whenever you see something going on, make sure you go inside your house and lock the door. Allow the Biafra army and the Biafra resistance fighters to do the job. That is what they volunteer to do. When there was NSAS, you know how they hurriedly, regrouping themselves, and then they begin to unleash mayhem on Nigerians who were carrying flag protesting. And some people were advising them, carry Nigerian flag, they will not kill you. Carry Nigerian flag, just go there and start. They were killing them like chicken. You know, today, the game have changed. That can never happen again. Not in Biafra. Not while we are here. And I want to inform Biafra people today, we have defeated Nigeria from the eastern region. We have defeated them. We have defeated their army. We have defeated their police. We have defeated their custom. We have defeated their air force, because all these things I'm mentioning have checkpoints. Only in Biafra land. They don't have those checkpoints in the north. And like you all know, we have banned the checkpoint, which means anywhere you see them, engage them. And when you see checkpoint today, does not mean that they are not going to be engaged any moment from that time. So you must stop going closer to the checkpoint, because you don't know when it is going to happen. We know how to fight them, and we are applying that particular system. It's a systematic fight. I wanted to ask them if they have collected the healers from the Biafra Liberation Army, and they have not done that. You see, Biafra people, it is only what we post on social media that you see. The healers is not the only healers the Biafra Liberation Army has impounded. We have impounded many of them. We have also destroyed, neutralized many of them. Of course, you know that. You see when they are burning on social medias and all that. You see that. But what I'm telling you today is that those who carry guns to come to Biafra to burn our villages and market, it can never happen again. We will go to their barracks, we'll go to their bases and engage them. And yesterday night, we have given it a test. They are not going to sleep again. They are not going to sleep again. If you know that you are a Biafran and you are serving in any Nigeria security agents within Biafra land, I don't need to tell you again, because we have given you people enough time. You remain the enemy of the people. I remember when Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was here, when those who were very close to him started to sabotage the struggle and sabotage the Eastern Security Network. They were killing commanders like chicken. And they thought it is going to continue like that. They were invading the camps, killing them like chicken. Because the people that were working with him were passing the information to the Nigeria government. And they started eliminating commanders. Let us see them eliminate any commander today. It is not possible. It is not possible. Before you come, we will come for you. I want to make it very clear. Those who are planning against Simon Ekpa, I am very, very closer to you than you will ever be closer to me. I am closer to you. And very soon, I will call you on phone when you will be captured. And you see me on video. The atrocities you committed against Biafra people can never go unpunished. Can never go unpunished. Some of you has vowed. You say that because of the crimes you have committed against the people of Biafra, you never believe that we can forgive you. So for that reason, you want to continue to commit the crime because you can't go back from it again. And let me tell you, there is still opportunity if you change. If you change and support this Biafra movement, that could be a chance. But let me tell you, that particular chance and door is closing very fast. After 4 weeks from today, we will open the front from the riverine area. The Biafra army is positioned almost in all crannies of the riverine area of Biafra. And in 4 weeks from today, we will activate operation in those areas. Let me tell you, it is one step at a time. One step at a time. The delegitimization of the killers of Biafra people have started, which is the Nigerian government and those serving under the government. And like I said before,
ndị be anyị daalụ nne nụ ihe a bụkwa Igbo midia anyị si wee na-ewetakwara unu nnukwu ozi a dị oke mkpa dịka anyị si kwa unu nkwa na dịka anyị si na-agba mbọ ewere ike ị na-enye unu update bụ ihe gbasara maka ife na-eme na ana Igbo be anyị na ndị nwere onwe nke a na-azọ ọ ya bụ nkwa ka anyị kwere unu na anyị ga na-emezu ya. Ọzọ dịka ibe ya bụ iwọchi ihe a kịta ị nụrụ n'elu akwụkwọ Biafran Prime Minister kwuru, gwa onwe gị eziokwu n'ụdị nke gị na nchịkọta mmụọ gị ka ghara iwelitela anyị n'ihe a, maka nwoke ihe ga na-esi na-emezi. O nwere ebe ekweta na ndị Igbo ya anọ, o nwere ebe anyị sịrị anyị nọrọ. Igbo abụlọ Senate President, Igbo abụlọ Vice President, nothing. And na ụmụ ihe ndị niile amegasịkwa anụ ụmụnne anyị esokwa na-agba ofa mgba maka nwoke ife ya je megidezie ajụrụzi asị ma ọ gịnị na-emezi ọ dị ka arụ achọziri ime anyị negodin ka obodo si dị ka e mere ji jide nwanne anyị nwoke bụ Maazị Nnamdi Kanu na mkpọrọ akwa maka ndị Igbo. Gịnị ka ihe ọjọọ mere? Maka ọ sị na n'Igbo ga-adị, maka ọ sị na anyị ga-adị ka echi na echi ada agwụ agwụ. O nwere ihe ọzọ eji jide ya? Jụọ ga ajụ gịnị ka eji jide Maazị Nnamdi Kanu? Akwa maka ọ sị na Igbo ya adị. Biko ọ dịghị ka iwe chetara ife a bụ Igbo midia anyị na-asụ n'onu be anyị, ọnụnụ be anyị ka anyị na-asụ. So biko ọ bụ na ede anụ Igbo iwe ewe na gị, ọnụnụ be anyị ka anyị ji akọwa ihe na-eme ebe a. Ka ego ọkwa na ya anyị na-ekwu bifo unu ekwe n'iwe ka ife onye ndu melụ ọ sị na ya na-eme mgbomgbe ndị Igbo na-abịa n'alụ ọ na-ewute ya. Simon Ekpa penie anyị agbaba ya mgba ka e mere obedient movement. Akwụwụrụ okwu Maazị Nnamdi Kanu kwuru before ejide ya, they will never give you that president, that seat. Akwụdoro na ya na Peter Obi winere mana nyere ya. Gịnị ka nsị ya bụ? Mba, Igbo mana na ife maka ọ ka esi na-ekwuzi okwu ọka ife ga na-esi na-emezi. Ọ bụ na ị kpọrọ onwe gị mitin, chịkọ onwe gị ọnụ, jụọ onwe gị ajụ a ka ebe ịkwụ n'obodo a bụ Naijiria. Ajụ nchọkwa onye ọbụla bụ onye Igbo na-ege m ntị n'elu akwụkwọ a jụọ onwe ya, na na-ejicha onwe gị ya bụ ife isaa ya. Ọgwụna ka m n'ọnụ. Ihe a bụ Igbo Media. Daalụ ụmụnne.